Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Commander's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, January 7th, and I'm going to make one of my favorite breakfasts, and it's super easy and super healthy. I've got several ingredients here. I've got some butter prepping here, turning that way down. I've got some shredded cheese, part of an avocado, some whole grain bread, and some pickled jalapenos, and a little bit of bacon. Bacon's pre-cooked from Costco. You're probably familiar with that. So we're just going to turn that up there. Get that going a little bit. I've actually put a piece of toast, another piece of bread in the toaster. So the toaster is done. And I'm going to prepare these eggs in the way Jacques Pepin recommends creating a fried egg. So I've got 4 eggs over here to the right. He always says crack them on the table. Okay. So that you don't get any bacteria in your eggs. Oops, and I just made a mistake right there. Cracked it too hard. So we'll just go with 3 eggs here. Just dip that little shell out of there. And I like to do 3 things on my eggs. A little pepper, a little salt, and some crushed red pepper flakes. And the key to a perfect egg is to cook it on low heat and cover it, because you don't want the egg to get crisp in any way. Okay, while that's going on, I'll prep the bread, a little bit of the avocado. We're going to press it in there. And mash out a little bit. Mash the avocado on the toast. This is a really well done avocado, ready to go. And with bacon being pre-cooked, you don't need that much. So I'll just put a piece of bacon on each. As you can see, this is going to be very tasty already. And then I'll finish the eggs with a little bit of cheese. Just melt that. What you want on the eggs is a little white gloss right on the top. Okay. We'll add a jalapeno, 2. As you can see now, the eggs are getting really close. We want to lower that temperature, but we want to see like a little white covering over the yolk. And we're getting just about there. As you can see, everything else is ready to go. Plate these other 2 pieces of bacon. This egg is about ready to go. I'll just cut that off on the edge a little bit. And just pop that egg right on top. There we go, nice. This one needs just another second or two. You can see the white little covering just beginning to fill around on that egg. We're almost finished. I'm going to call that done. Let's give it another 30 seconds. That egg is just about perfect. I'm going to put that right there. Okay. We'll put the other egg on the side. Oops. And there you have it. One of the most fulfilling Sunday morning breakfasts that you could come up with from the Commander's Kitchen. My marketing director, Mondale, is laying on the ground, excited for his opportunity to share that with me. Have a great day.